Hi, I'm Arif Vakil, coach and master trainer of the GTD methodology. In this video, we're going to answer a question by one of our viewers, and the question is, Dear Calm Achiever, when I plan my day, even if I get 8 out of 10 things done, why am I angry with myself for not being able to finish the 2 pending tasks? Why can't I feel happy that I've got 8 of the 10 things done? Why does carrying forward tasks make me resentful? Kind regards, angry and resentful. Well, the reason you feel a sense of frustration is because there is a price that you pay in a relationship whenever you break an agreement in a relationship. The price is that you disintegrate trust in that relationship to some degree. So what? What's that got to do with incomplete tasks? The so what is this? Everything in your list is a commitment, is an agreement that you have made. With who? With yourself and yourself only. Do you think there is any difference between the agreement that you have made with someone else or yourself? Absolutely not. You can fool the whole world, but you can't fool yourself. And that's where the negative feeling and stress comes from. It's not from having too many things to do. It comes from having broken agreements with yourself. This is actually good news because now we know the source of the stress. And because we know the source of the stress, there is something that we can do about it. And since the source of the stress is broken agreements, what do we do about it? Well, this is what I do about it. I'm very conscious when I make agreements with myself. I no longer have a list of things that I'm going to do on a particular day. Instead, I follow the GTD process and I organize my next actions by context. A context is any physical location or resource, like calls can be a context, at home can be a context, at office or at computer can be a context. So the next time I'm at a meeting and I've got nothing to do but calls to make, I look at my calls list and I move forward on the most meaningful call. Or I'm at home and there's stuff that I can move forward at home. I look at my at home list and move forward on the most meaningful tasks that I can do at home. Or I'm at my computer and I then look at my computer list and move forward on the most meaningful tasks that I can do at my computer. This way, I am always okay about the things that I'm not doing because I'm not in that context and I cannot move forward on it, or it's not the most meaningful task. I really hope that this has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, or if any of our viewers have any further questions, please ask in the comments below or email us at contact@calmachiever.com. And yeah, if possible, we'll make a video about it and answer your question. Till our next video, take care. Goodbye.